Imagine stepping into a time machine. You turn a dial, punch in a date, and whiz back through the annals of history. Your destination? A time before your grandparents met. You find yourself face to face with your grandfather before he's even considered a family. Now what if you were to prevent their meeting? What if you somehow stopped your grandfather from ever encountering your grandmother? It's a question that has puzzled scientists, philosophers, and science fiction enthusiasts for decades. If you could stop your grandparents from meeting, would you still exist? This leads us to the intriguing puzzle known as the grandfather paradox. This thought experiment explores the potential contradictions that could arise from time travel, particularly the possibility of altering the past in a way that unravels your very existence. It's a paradox because the logic seems to collapse on itself. If you prevented your grandparents from meeting, they wouldn't have your parents, and your parents wouldn't have you. But if you were never born, how could you have traveled back in time to stop them from meeting in the first place? The grandfather paradox isn't just an amusing thought experiment, it highlights the potential logical inconsistencies in our understanding of time travel. Over the years, physicists have proposed several solutions to resolve this paradox. One is the self-consistency principle, suggesting you can travel to the past, but cannot change it. Another is the many worlds interpretation, where each decision creates a parallel universe. Lastly, the timeline loop theory suggests time is a closed loop, intertwining past, present, and future. The grandfather paradox is undeniably fascinating, but is time travel even possible? Our current understanding of physics suggests it might be more than just science fiction. Einstein's theory of relativity provides the groundwork for the concept of time as a flexible entity, not a constant. One of its mind-boggling implications is time dilation, where time can pass at different rates depending on speed and gravity. While we haven't achieved time travel at a human scale, experiments have shown that time does indeed pass slightly slower for objects in motion, as predicted by Einstein. Another intriguing possibility lies in the existence of wormholes. These theoretical tunnels could connect two distant points in space-time, potentially even different points in time. Imagine a shortcut through the fabric of the universe, allowing you to jump from one moment in time to another. While wormholes remain theoretical, their existence is compatible with Einstein's equations, making them an exciting area of ongoing research. Finally, the enigmatic world of quantum mechanics offers its own tantalizing possibilities. Quantum entanglement, where two particles are linked even when separated by vast distances, suggests a connection that transcends our classical understanding of space and time. Some physicists speculate that this bizarre quantum connection could hold the potential for sending information or even travelers through time. Let's imagine for a moment that you did have the opportunity to meet your past self. What would happen? This encounter, ripe with paradoxical implications, could unfold in a multitude of ways. Would you recognize each other, or would you be strangers separated by time and experience? Would your interaction create a paradox, or would it simply be an unusual event in the grand tapestry of your life? Perhaps meeting your past self could offer a chance to gain perspective, to learn from past mistakes, or see how far you've come. Or maybe it would create a ripple effect, altering your future in unforeseen ways. The possibilities are as limitless as the universe itself, and pondering them allows us to confront the mysteries of time and our place within it. The grandfather paradox and the very concept of time travel force us to confront the limits of our understanding of the universe. While we haven't cracked the code of time travel just yet, the journey of exploration is filled with wonder and the potential for groundbreaking discoveries that could redefine our place in the cosmos. So, keep questioning, keep imagining, and keep exploring the boundless mysteries of time and space.